Now, you take another example, shape, shape, triangle, rectangle, circle and square. Now, you can establish easier relation. Triangle is a type of shape, rectangle is a type of shape, circle is a type of shape, square is a type of shape. Next, come to solid. Cube or cuboid is a type of solid, sphere is a type of solid, pyramid is a type of solid. So, in all these cases easier relation is established, then only you can go for inheritance. I give you some other examples, but you should not there they may have, you may feel that they may have easier relation, but it is not true. That also I give it to you. Now, you see that a vehicle, horse, camel, you take. You may be tempted and you may feel that the easier relation, because a horse is used as a vehicle and camel is also used as a vehicle, but even though they are used as vehicles, but you should not, it does not come in vehicle. Vehicle is different category. In vehicle category, a car is a vehicle, car is a type of vehicle, bike is a type of vehicle, truck is a type of vehicle. That is true. Horse is a type of vehicle is not true, because of you are taking one type of behavior, but it comes in the animal category. Dog is a type of animal, horse is a type of animal, camel is a type of animal. And if you take that, one more example, you feel it is ridiculous. When you were a baby, your mother carried you. Can you call my mother is a vehicle? Not so. That is why in these cases you have to apply your common sense before establishing easier relation. In the same manner, water, this is what we take, lemon, orange. Actually, you are getting some juice from lemon or orange. Can you treat them as water? Water is generated out of that, but it is juice. What is category? Fruit. Fruit. Lemon is a type of fruit. Orange is a type of another type of fruit. So, in this case, easier relation is not established. Because of some common features, if you take and all that, it is not justified. How it is not justified, I tell you. Here, now you feel that student is a type of employee. Why you are tempted like this? Why you are feeling that? Actually, 4 or 5 data items are common, like a name, register number, department or a class, like that. Actually, suppose an employee is having 26 features, 26 properties. Out of that, for student, 5 properties are common. 5 properties are common. Simply, employee superclass you have taken, from that student subclass you have created. Then what happens? Along with these 5 useful properties, other 21 properties are also inherited. Those are useless. Whenever you can create, you create a student object, the 21 useless features will be the part of that. Then what happens? It is a overhead. Every time student object is being processed, not only the 5, along with that the 21 also are processed. It leads to inefficiency, lot of execution time is wasted. That is why here for a programmer, common sense is the core feature that one must have it. Then only after establishing easier relation, then they can go for inheritance. That means they can create subclass from a superclass. After understanding inheritance for reusability, Let us focus on composition. This composition is also known as aggregation, containment. Different names are there, but normally we use as composition. Composition is also useful for implementing reusability. Where composition is applied means has a relation is there composition comes. It is a simple thing. Car, just with this example you can understand. For composition means inheritance means creating new classes using existing classes. Composition means creating new classes using the existing classes. Just once again I repeat, creating new classes for using existing classes, creating new classes using existing classes. Okay. Now, has a relation is creating new classes using existing classes as part of them. That you can establish like this. Car has a AC. You know that AC is a independent object, TV is a independent object, music system is also an independent object. Car object has a AC as an AC object, car object has a TV object, car object has a music system object. So, these objects will become part of that, this object, that is the concept. So, has a relation. And if you come to programming example, student, suppose a student class you define, obviously in student class you define his name, you know that it is a string means class. Okay. In the same way, mark list, let us say 5, that is you know that it is an array is an object. Okay. Grade like a distinction, first class, second class, this is also a string, So, in order to develop the student class, we have taken the components string name, array mark list, string grade, we are taking those are made part of the student object. Understand, has a relation, student has a string class object, student has a array mark list, student has a string grade. No, this is has a relation. So, this is using existing things for developing new things. This also establishes reusability. In this context, one very important point you must notice, actually in Java no object can hold the other object physically. Of course, car object can hold the AC object physically, car object can hold the TV object physically as well as music system. But as far as Java classes are concerned, now you see this is student class. Here what is that? String name is the reference variable. Here his name is Arun, this is object. What student class object holds? It holds the reference of Arun, but it does not physically holds the Arun object, unlike a car. Understand, this point you have to understand. And other thing you see, mark list reference only, array type reference, and here is the mark list object is here, it is created on a heap. but it does not hold, but it is a reference. Student object holds the reference of the marked list array. Okay. In the same manner, distinction, this is the grade, this is on the heap, this is the object. What student object is having? It is a reference. So, you must remember, as far as Java classes are concerned, they cannot hold another object physically, they can hold the reference of other object which is elsewhere. That means, illustratively, Java classes can have strings of the kite, they cannot hold the kite, they can have, suppose if you feel this is a kite, they can have a string. If you feel this is a kite, they can have a string. If you feel this is a kite, they can have a string. This point also you must remember, and whenever easier relation is established, you can go for inheritance, you can create new classes using existing classes. Whenever has a relation is established, you can create new classes by making existing classes as part of the new classes. This difference you must remember, and in the next concept I will explain more about this inheritance and composition concepts.